In July 1941, Kiichiro Toyoda, founder of Toyota Motor Corporation, expressed his dream to produce a Japanese car. His key aims were low price, high performance, and good fuel economy. Nearly 10 years later, the US Army invited Japanese car makers for a bid to produce a four-wheel drive truck, and so the Toyota BJ was born, although Toyota didn't win the bid. After the BJ prototype made an excellent impression by climbing to the 6th hill station of Mount Fuji, further than any vehicle had gone before, the Japanese police adopted it as a patrol vehicle, and Toyota started production. In 1954, the Toyota BJ was renamed the Toyota Land Cruiser. In 1955, the Land Cruiser 20 series was launched. It was available with a metal roof and doors, as well as something quite astonishing for that time: air conditioning. In 1956, the Land Cruiser was the first mass-produced Toyota car to be officially exported to world markets, starting with Brazil and Saudi Arabia, followed by the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America. Its toughness and go-anywhere capabilities were soon recognized, and the Land Cruiser reputation started to spread around the world. In 1957, the US Army invited Toyota to bid once more. Again, the Land Cruiser was not selected, but this time, the superiority of the model was acknowledged in the United States. This convinced Toyota to enter the American market, and the first Land Cruiser was sold there in 1958. The first Land Cruiser in Europe also arrived in 1958 when the model was introduced at the Barcelona Motor Show in Spain. In 1960, the 40 series was launched. Production techniques were modernized and the vehicle was improved with the introduction of low-ratio gearing for better acceleration and off-road performance. In addition, room for a third front occupant was made. The 40 series also marked the debut of a diesel engine. In 1967, the 55 series arrived. The Land Cruiser now made its appearance as a cross-country four-wheel drive vehicle, the first real station wagon. The 55 series was developed to meet American standards of safety and highway driving, but it retained its off-road capabilities for tackling rugged roads. In the 80s, the debut of the 60 series marked the start of Land Cruiser being seen not only as a workhorse, but also as a recreational family vehicle. This trend continued in the 80 series with the adoption of airbags and anti-lock brakes. The 100 series marked the introduction of the first Toyota V8 petrol engine, adding substantially more power to the Land Cruiser family. With more than 5 million customers worldwide, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the best-selling SUV in the world, and it continues to be a global success. It is currently manufactured in 9 Toyota plants around the globe and is sold in 140 countries.